Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. How to do it? How to add images to Zoom whiteboard. First open Zoom app on your mobile. I will show you how to make these settings very easily. Now click on whiteboard. The settings are not too difficult, it can be done very easily. Now click on plus new. Create a new whiteboard. Created. Preparing your whiteboard experience. Now click on plus icon. Image, photo album or camera, your choice. Photos, pictures, select pictures. Successful. How can see you share her? Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video. Bye bye.